Hello everybody, this is Emily and me today, Grayson. Today we're gonna make something from Rosanna Pansino's baking cookbook. It's Crinkle Cookies. We're gonna need 3/4 cup sugar, 8 tablespoon unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon lemon zest. 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 1/4 tablespoon teaspoon yellow food coloring, and 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 1 3/4 cups flour, and 1 1.5 tablespoon salt.
1/2 teaspoon.
1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. And now let's put it all together. And the first thing we're gonna do is start by pouring our 1.5 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 3/4 cups flour into a medium-sized mixing bowl. That's okay if you got some on the table, like I did. It's like snow. And then you put this all aside, and then let's whisk it. We're gonna have my little sister help me because she's a very good helper for today, because she's doing a very, very good job with this. She's mixing it all in together. And we'll take maybe it behind, shall we? Okay, we'll put it behind us. Behind us is the oven, actually. And now we're gonna put our butter and sugar into our big mixing bowl for about 5 to 3 minutes, or 3 to 5 minutes, until it's light and fluffy. Let's start. Emily, can you pour my sugar into my bowl, please? Pour the sugar in, and then I'll put the butter. Take that out. Oh, how will that not get out? Maybe my hands could be doing it. Then, here, Emily. There, now we'll take that away. And we'll put that bad boy in there. Woo! And we lock it. And what number do we put it on? 4. Like that? Okay. And wait until it's light and fluffy again, I say. Woo! And now we're gonna put our 1 whole egg into our big mixing bowl with the butter because it's already fluffy. And let's pour it. Woo! I did not know that was gonna happen. Now. Oh! What number? Whatever. There! Be the egg. You don't want it to be egg yolk, just egg. Now look, it's yellow. Ooh, baby. So now we're gonna put our lemon zest, our lemon juice, and our yellow food coloring with a knife for the yellow food coloring. Try and get that out. Go. Maybe put that down there. Keep doing it. Use a knife to get all of it out. We want all of it in.
We have all of it.
And now we put that. Emily, can you hold this for me? Hold the knife. Put that there. And now we're gonna add our lemon zest in. Get all of it in. Get all of it in. And our lemon
I can't
juice.
hold this.
Let's pour. That was a nice sound. Now let's. That was scary. And lock that up. And what number? Whatever. So now we're gonna be adding, because my sister ran away, we're gonna put it on a little speed like that. And we're slowly gonna add our flour. Just tap, 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 tap. And take that out. And you wait for a little bit. Now, so now we've put the plastic wrap over our bowl, and it's in the smaller bowl. We've transferred it into a smaller bowl with a spatula I have in my kitchen, and this is what it should be looking like. And then we're gonna put it in the fridge for about an hour. So let's put it in the fridge. I do not know where to put this. So now we've taken our dough out of the fridge, and we're gonna use this tablespoon to scoop this up and then roll it into balls. So let's start. This is what it will look like. I do not know what I'm doing here. So we've set our oven to 350 degrees. We've greased our pans, and now we're gonna roll our first third in 2/3 into our granulated icing sugar, and let's start it. So and roll, roll, roll. There's our first one, and now we put it on there. Let's put it on our first. Boom, boom. I thought it was gonna roll off. Na. Roll it everywhere. It's like a little donut. So here. So now we're gonna take our sugar, and we're gonna roll the other half of it. We're gonna roll the other half of it into the sugar. And then we're gonna cut it and cut the bottom off. And let's start it. And you can still watch me if you want. And you got one ball. And
Could I do the other ball?
You can do the balls. And we've got on these balls. Roll. Put this in this. And then we'll put them on the tray. Other side.
Is this done?
Yeah.
Huh? Grayson done. Grayson done.
Okay. can keep rolling it in the sand, the sugar. It's actually... Don't smush it, Emily. Now can I have it?
Yeah.
Some more? We do some more? It's at 350. Roll it in some of this sugar. Roll it, maybe on the other side. Yeah. Are you done?
Yep.
Keep doing it, Emily. So, we've placed it 2 meters or 2 centimeters apart from each other.
Grayson, done.
2 inches apart from each other. So we have the yellow sparkly for the chick's head, and then this is its body, and then we're gonna pipe little feet with it, and we've put it into different sections on each tray. We've baked it for 10 to 12 minutes, and this is what they look like. And there's little cracks in them, like little chicks. And we've let them cool for 2 minutes.
I'm going to.
And I'm gonna talk about what we're gonna make a royal icing with. 3 large egg whites, 4 cups powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, and we're gonna mix this for about 5 to 6 minutes. And we're gonna, if you don't have a lock on the side, you just keep it like that. Well, I have a lock on the side, and you can use these numbers. What number do we do it? So we've put 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla into our big mixing bowl. And now you lock it and you turn it on to what number? Just low, and then you speed it for 1 minute. I can't. Oh, that's one better. I did not know that was going to happen. So we've mixed the black, and this is a very good black. And now we're going to mix the orange, so you guys can watch me. And let's mix it. Let's mix it. So this is what the black should look like. And this is what the orange should look like. So we're going to use the orange for the beak and the feet, and we're going to use the black for the eyes. And we're going to paint them. We're not painting them, we're decorating them.
Going to.
Boom. Boom.
And
So these are the cookies I really, really liked. And this is the ones that I'm going to give to people. And then these are the ones we're going to keep at our house. So let's taste it. What
Could I taste mine?
And Emily's gonna taste one of hers. And you guys come in and get one.
Oh no. I got decapitated.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching us and my sister today.